This recipe was called Gogo Special by Yvonne Chaka. Pineapple fridge tart. This is one of Taste's most viewed recipes. Let's show you how to make it. For those of you who aren't fans of jelly, it's not actually set. It combines with the ideal milk to make it like this nice light moussey texture. You might expect this to be super sweet, but it's the perfect combination of tarty, savory, and a little bit crispy. I never actually made this fridge tart, but it is something that I came across a lot in my childhood, especially visiting friends at a braai or at a kak bazaar. It was definitely the go-to dessert because it's only 4 ingredients and it's so easy to make. Considering how expensive desserts can be, this whole baby comes in at under 150 bucks. Traffic for this recipe peaks on Christmas Eve and throughout summer. Not surprisingly, because it is so refreshing.